This
For me?
yes.
Okay.
This my hospital. My hospital.
Husband? Yes. Yes. Okay.
Hello everyone. Today in Baghdad, I love in Iraq and I love in Iraq, but government not help. Hi my friend, come with me. This city is very old and the weather is very hot. Come with me. شني اليوم جولة غير رسمية ومكان غير متفق عليه وبس. هاي مخازن الكتب والمخازن البضاعات التجارية اللي ببغداد القديمة. شوف، تعال ندخل بهالفرع. شوف ظلام يعني الافتتاح والشغل اللي هنا يصير بس الصبح. This
For me?
yes.
Okay.
This my hospital. My hospital.
Husband? Yes. Yes. Okay.
يلا come.
Where?
My hospital here.
Inside?
No,
Yeah. Okay.
here.
Outside. Okay, I understand.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Please.
You speak English?
Yes.
Nice.
No maniera, dai, basta.
Time for time was this you.
Ma dove beste?
Oh, yes. What's your name?
So my name is Sultan.
And you?
Marta.
Welcome in Iraq. What do you think so far you in Iraq? What do you think in Iraq?
I think Iraq is very good place. We like it. We are come back to Iraq by the car, Sayara, fifth time. This is the fifth time. Yes, so the last 3 years. So we like it so much. I think it's people is very kind. As nature is nice, but its culture is more than nice. Because you know it's old nature. It's a word of the. Sorry, it's what's the-
Nice, nice.
so it's Iraq is a cradle of the culture.
What do you think and الشارع المتنبي? This first time and what? For you?
Yes, we
Four or
come
five?
we five
Ah.
five fifth time, but we come to this area many times.
What do you like and this here?
In this area or Iraq,
This nice or good?
we like it. We like the old culture,
Ah.
and the people is very kind. So I have many friends in Iraq, and
You have
in
friends
Basra.
there?
Yes, in Basra, Erbil,
Basra?
Erbil, Mosul, Baghdad as well.
طبعا يقول عندي اصدقاء بالموصل والبصره وجاي هنا تقريبا 4 أو 5 مرات. And good. شكرا. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
شكرا
you.
شكرا
شكرا ماي فريند. شكرا. اي شباب، مثل ما شفتوا الفيديو حبيت يعني اضيف له شيء اثري، شيء تراثي. راح اضيف لكم بعض الصور. استمتع.
Полевых цветов веночек, в утренней росе цветок, соловья запев свисточек, сок березовый глоток, тишины послушать волю, по тропинке в лес густой, поболтать с березкой вдоволь про него и про
اي شباب، مثل ما شفت المقطع، لا حبيت تدعمونا باللايك والاشتراك. وسيو